I wanted to share with you this new piece that I made. It's my heart from the Croquet's Living Anatomy series. It's a 4x4 foot by 3 inch deep, hand-cut collage and custom panel. It's sealed with a double layer of resin to give it a super glossy, very rich finish. The piece is very significant for me. Anatomy, I grew up in a dental lab, so I was surrounded by anatomy my entire childhood. I'd be there on weekends with my father and going through boxes of fake teeth and looking at anatomical skulls and carving things with wax and porcelain. So I think not only that made a huge impact, but the artisan's craft of it. And later on, sadly, I would lose a loved one to heart disease. So there's sort of a double meaning mixed into this piece, a bittersweet journey of life that's taken something negative and turned into a positive. So I hope you enjoy it. It'll be on view tonight at the Director's Circle.